Welcome back to the RC Wrench Bench. This particular step on the build series for the RC10SC7, something I've been looking forward to. Of course, lots of controversy with the B7 5-gear transmission and reliability. So interesting that they've gone to a 3-gear. Probably not interesting or surprising, but good on Team Associated for making sure that the trucks would have durability with the gearbox. So not a big surprise that they've gone to a 3-gear. And you have this massive idler gear. It's a 54-tooth idler gear, and it is supported on bearings on this really nice looking piece of aluminum. So it's a totally new gearbox design. Looks really cool to me. So it should go together fairly easily. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Looks like we don't have any kind of shims or spacers involved. So we're going to get rolling here. So that top shaft is going to go on that side, followed by a bearing, just like that. And then this big idler, I'm going to put the bearing on, install that on one side. And then, actually, yeah, I guess I'll just put both of those bearings in. And then this machined piece looks like it sits right in the middle there. Yes, it does. So I'm going to put that in there first, and then slide the giant idler over that. There we go. And then we'll put the case down over the top. And make sure that these two things are happy, which right now they're not. So what's going on here? Something bound up in here. That feels okay. Well, I must be missing something. Oh, I see. All right, so on this machined piece, it's actually indexed with some flat edges. So this has to go on one side of the gearbox where it's machined, where it's molded to receive that. I guess that would make sense. There we go. All right, and we'll screw the gearbox together here. And I'm gonna not tighten these up too much. I'll get the whole thing put together and just make sure that everything still moves freely. All right, and then these are 16mm screws that go in 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. In the diagram in the instructions, it's not clear whether or not this, oh no, that's not going in the right spot. That goes on that side. The image in the instructions is kind of blind with the gearbox in this direction and showing you where the screws go. It looks like they go straight across, but they actually don't. All right, so there is the 3-gear gearbox ready to go.